This is so typical of just vacant areas in rural Thailand. That's a beautiful looking tree with yellow flowers on it. If it wasn't for power lines, you could have beautiful trees like this out the front of your home. Problem is they become problematic during monsoon time. So have a look at the flowers on that. And I think these are the same. They come with yellow or red flowers. But, oh, got to be careful. There's cow poo around. So there's one in the distance there, it's got pink flowers on it. We've got some eucalyptus. This looks like some government storage building. It's actually very nice out at the moment. It's about 9 AM. This sort of needs cutting back a bit. That does have flowers. Otherwise it will turn to jungle, which is, I don't think they want really in this location. You put anything in the ground here and it'll grow, and it grows fast because the soil is so good and retains the moisture. This is a road that leads up to Nonsang, where a lot of the Thai girls that seem to chase foreigners live. I don't know why. Certain villages have a reputation for that. Here's this is an area where they have festivals, and this is, with all this cemented area, I think it's for kids to come and play after school, and also they park the festival vehicles here. My home's sort of just up that way, 50 metres, then turn right. Oh. The dog, I can see the dogs work well for the owners. It's a bit murky here, you see. Oh, this is to walk through. I just don't want to get all muddy feet. And in the distance there we've got some cows.